Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Shut off the main water supply and drain all connected fixtures first. Confirm the line is empty by opening a lowest drain valve and checking flow. Put on eye protection, gloves, and a respirator designed for dust. Keep a shop vacuum and drop cloths to control cast iron dust and debris. Measure the pipe diameter. Common sizes include 5 inches for old soil stacks. Set aside an 18-inch pipe wrench and a reciprocating saw with a 14-tooth metal cutting blade. Support the pipe on both sides of the joint before you cut to prevent collapse. Score the annular ring around the hub with a 5-inch cold chisel and hammer to weaken the joint. Cut the pipe 2 inches from the hub using a reciprocating saw or a hacksaw if space allows. Drive wedges into the scored seam to break the hub free gently. Lift the removed sections straight out, keeping the weight balanced and using 2 people for long pieces. Prepare the replacement by cleaning the spigot end and the hub interior thoroughly. Use a 4-inch no-hub coupling with stainless bands and 1/2-inch bolts for modern connections. Slide the coupling over the spigot and center the pipe into the hub with even spacing. Tighten the coupling bolts evenly, rotating each bolt to run torque. Follow the manufacturer torque, commonly near 90 ft-lb. Vacuum all dust. Collect cast iron pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.